Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to install Google Chrome current stable version on Linux Mint 22.3. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Linux Mint, that is Firefox. Now go to Google or any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Click on download Google Chrome or click on Google Chrome web browser. Then click on download Chrome. For Linux Mint, you have to select this .debian package. So select this 64-bit .deb. Click on accept and install. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 114 megabytes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd, downloads, ls. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Let us install sudo dpkg-i Google. Press the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to all applications. Search for Chrome. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. If you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, select the checkbox. And if you want to automatically send usage statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to keep the checkbox. I don't want either of them, then click on OK. I don't want to sign in. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so you have successfully installed ls. Remove this one, rm, Google, press the tab, hit enter, ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video, we have seen how to install Google Chrome current stable version on Linux Mint 22.3. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.